Hi there everyone, I'm just going to create a quick video on how to install the Mote extension for the Google Workspace. So the first thing I'm going to do is go into the Chrome Web Store. So Chrome Web Store, which is chrome.google.com, the web store, and I'm going to type in Mote over here in the search. Okay, Mote, and I'm going to find the extension called Mote. I'm going to click on that one, and then I'm going to add to Chrome. Then it's going to check add extension, and hopefully you can see it's downloaded on my computer, and there it's actually appeared over here in this little jigsaw over here. These are all my extensions. I'm going to click on that, and I can see, if I scroll down, I can see Mote. I'm going to pin that so I can always see it. Click over here. So there's my Mote extension. Now of course I need to sign in, so I'm going to click on it again. Do you want to use Mote? Yes, I do. I'm going to allow permissions to get my microphone and stuff like that. Oh, and it's signed me in already. So usually it will ask you to sign in. Remember, when you go sign in with Google. It's got my name there because I remembered me from last time. Sign in with Google, and then you have Mote. That will kind of automatically be linked in with a lot of your Google Workspace applications like Slides and the Google Classroom and a few other bits and pieces. Anyway, talk later. Bye.